Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be starting off with an unboxing video. If you're familiar with this box, it has been on the channel before, but this was for Happy's car, and it was for her 2013 Fiat Abarth. This is going to be for my 2015 Fiat Abarth. And with this coilovers, I will be putting them on the car, and a bunch of other unboxing videos coming after this one. Trying to make it as quick as possible for you guys. So it's going to be a lot of stuff happening in suspension. And what we're going to be doing afterwards. Purchased that idea. As much as a unboxing video would be so cool to do every single unbox, there's way too many boxes that we're going to be doing. A quick message from our sponsor.
Got a title sponsor for 2024 for my drift season. That's right. It's my wallet.
That is right. There is no real sponsor, just sponsored by hopes and dreams and a lot of debt, but it's alright because we're going to make this car super cool. Every single car that is out there is one of one because it is your way, it's your style of doing your car, and there's a lot of cool stuff coming up to the channel. So the way I'm going to be doing this, guys, instead of doing an unbox and then putting on the car and having maybe like a million different videos for each and every different part, we do have stuff from like radiators, spacers right over here. We have a lot of different variety of things going on in the car, so stay tuned. It's going to be a build series, March Madness, and it's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening over time. Right now we're going to be headed downstairs. I know the introduction is a little bit longer. I promise you in the rest of the videos, after the 10-minute mark, of course with a little bit of editing and movie magic, I am going to be cutting it, so there won't be a lot of intros, there won't be a lot of outros. It's going to be just straight continuing like a movie or like a TV series. So whatever video gets left over from today, whatever happens at the end of the video, 10 minutes, I'm going to stop it, put it onto the next one. So it's going to be a huge collage of doing a lot of work. So basically we have, right now we're going to be installing the rear spoiler adapter. It's kind of like a little lip. It's an Amazon kit lip. It's not exactly the one I wanted, but it's one of the parts I really wanted because I love the little extension on there. There is going to be some more carbon fiber coming to the car, so definitely, you know, this little one was cool for now. And when I do get the appropriate parts, the parts that I want to get, definitely I'm going to be like, you know, swapping everything out. I mean, it's going to be a whole carbon fiber trunk coming soon, you know, obviously once I get everything sorted out. But today's going to be little small trinkets here and there. There is a lot more other content of my car on this channel, so if you haven't seen it, scroll through the entire channel. I know there's a lot of car videos and everything. There will be a lot of car show and car events happening this month as well. So March Madness is going to be super crazy. I'm going to kind of film what I can doing the car repairs. It's not so much of a how-to, it's just modding what I can mod. And yeah, we're going to keep on going. Let's get it.